Unlocking the power of your Tableau insights for everyone is easier than you think. Let's dive into the magic of exporting. First, open the dashboard or specific visualization you want to share. This is your starting point, the visual story you've crafted. Next, navigate to the File menu at the top left of your screen. Click it to open the drop-down options. From the File menu, locate the Export option. This is where the exporting fun begins. You'll see several choices, each designed for a different purpose. Let's start with image. Selecting this allows you to share a snapshot of your visualization. It's perfect for quick sharing in emails or presentations. Choose this option and the system lets you choose the specific size and resolution you want. Next, PDF is a great option for sharing a comprehensive view of your dashboard or workbook. It preserves all the interactive elements and allows for navigation and searching, and is suitable for distribution. Sharing your analysis in a PowerPoint presentation, easy. Select the PowerPoint option. Tableau will generate a slide with your visualization embedded, ready for you to present your findings. Be sure to explore the menu for additional exporting options. You can find cross tabs, as well as the data itself for more versatile exporting options. So there you have it. You now know how to share your Tableau visualizations and dashboards with anyone, anywhere. Happy exporting!